This is just a quick recording for the future generations and the history. Market in last couple hours is going down. You can see in 1 hour everything is red. Last 24 hours most of the things are red. My stakes that I have in a couple farming projects are not doing good. Spade coin, which is on a Polygon farm, is falling down every moment. Right now I have 116 coins. Spade is 775. It's approaching that $7 that I said. When is it gonna start going back? It's questionable. So this, I'm gonna get out of this with a loss of probably $500–600. The other project I have here on a QuickSwap, combination of Matic coin and Quick was working good. It was 2,000 couple days ago, and right now fell down, and it's still going down. Why? Well, the value of the Quick coin is going down. It was $850, now it's $650, $200 down. So I'm gonna close that one with a profit because I put in this $1,085, so it's gonna be 600 up to cover from the previous one. And I have a third investment, my Dogecoin, half Doge, half Ethereum. That one was going up to like 275. It's still there on 268. It's not really falling. I may keep this one. We'll see. Let's see what's the Doge value. It is 31 cents and slightly going down today in the afternoon. You can see it was going up, but it's gonna go down to 30. I may close even this one and end up positive. So little recap, on a Polygon farm I have 1,500, I'm gonna cash out about 900. Matic Quick combination, I had actually 1,085. It's about 1,750 now. And this Rand Dodge, I had 200, it's actually up. That's based on Ethereum and Dodge. Also I have some little bit in quick rewards, so altogether close to 3,000, and I'm in it for 2,800. So I'm 150 up. I think it's good to close this just to be up. It's always on a positive side, makes you happier. I don't want to start really losing because on this one I'm losing $600. So let's cash out. $1,768. Withdraw. We'll see exact amount of coins that I'm gonna get and recalculate this. It's pending. I also have a Quick here. I'm gonna withdraw that. So this is my reward, and this is my Quick available. Fees on this are really ridiculously low. So we have that pending. So you can see Matic Quick combination is not showing. So now I have to go to the pool to unwrap my Matic and Quick. So this was my combination. We're gonna unwrap that maximum. This is just to sign, there's no fees. This is the beauty of DeFi. And remove that combination. Now I will have this in my wallet. That's what's going in my wallet. The only thing, a little problem here, it says 1.36 quick, and I'm pretty sure that I had 1.66 when I invested into this. What happened, I don't know.
Just like a young man coming in for a quickie.
So you see, nothing in liquidity for me anymore, so everything is now. Okay, so let's see in the wallet. After all this, I have 1.4 quick, that's what I withdraw, and something that I had left over here. I have 639 Matic. 1.4 quick. $1.4 is $911. So I'm gonna get on a quick. I'm gonna get 911. Also, I have 639.6 in Matic. So right now, 639.6. That is $889. So out of this pool, $889. So I'm getting here 1,800, and I'm in for 185. So what I need is to cash out this spade to convert, and I think I'm going to convert it to Matic. So I have to go back to PolygonFarm. So I have 116.691 and this 5,696. Unstake, max, confirm, confirm in the wallet. This is amazing how it's easy to do this. Stake, unstake, convert. Unbelievable, and it's all instantaneous. Try to do this in your local bank. Try it. Go try to exchange Canadian dollars to US dollars. You have no idea what the pain is. Okay, the pool is cleared, it's zero, my stake. So let's go to MetaMask wallet. Spade, I have 116 spade. Now, the trick is, let's sell that, let's trade that spade. So I want spade to Matic. 116,707. I'm getting 645 Matic. Matic is like $1.50, so it's gonna be probably about $900. Let's see. This is Matic, $1.39, fell a little bit. So this money is gonna be $8.97. So I hope that's the value I'm gonna get. So I'm getting here and US dollars it's close to 900. So that's like 2,700, and like I said, I invested 2,750, so I don't see where my profit. Oh, I still have 265 in this combination. So that's actually my profit, 260, 270. Wait for 1 week. It's not bad. Approve. See, 0 fees. Try to do this with Ethereum. It will be $100. So you can check on activity here, approves paid. Oh, swap. I have to press confirm swap. And again, 0.0015 fee. That's not even in dollars. So Spade, you can see is gone, is 0 something left over. Matic, we have 1200. We started with 600 that I withdraw. Now we have 1200. And I also gonna change my Quick to Matic also. Quick is going down. I don't understand why. It was $850. Now it's $650. So let's go to swap. Same thing. Cannot go much down. All my Quick. And I'm gonna get and swap. That's pending. So farming adventure is over. Swap. Okay, that's done. Let's check the MetaMask. So I have a 1900 this many Matic. So here, this many Matic, it's 2715. End up with. From these two operations, so it's this $900 plus this 1800, 2700. That's what I got. And I invested together 2585. So I'm up there $150. 150 up, and I have about $60-70 here. That's 220 up. So I'm just not sure that I want to sell this because this is based on Ethereum and Dogecoin. Ethereum is gonna pull it if Doge is not working, so I'm gonna leave this one. It's small, but let it ride. So I think I'm good. I'm good, and that's it. That's it. That is what I cashed out, and depends, but it's not cash. It's not cash, and it depends. Is he gonna keep the price, Matic? And this coin can go easy to. It can go easy to $10, $20, guaranteed. Okay. So this is that adventure that lasted 10 days, a week, 10 days. It was nice looking it going up, but the moment it started going down, you can see this is okay. Hope you got something out of this. Well, I think the main problem is that Polygon Farm is small project. It has a really low volume. You can see here, it's only 7 million invested totally, comparing to hundreds of millions in other projects that are like this. But it was interesting. I may be back. Have fun. Have a good night.